Welcome to episode 6 of Woulda Wednesdays, where we show you things that are on our permanent packing list that others might say,
Why would ya? Howdy, y'all.
why would you bring that? So guys, in today's episode, this one is for you if you bring, let's say, more than one phone, more than one electronic, and you've ever had a fight in the room about my battery's too low. Stay tuned.
Sun is shining all day, sand between my toes, waves crashing on the bay, feel that warm breeze blow, no worries on my mind, just leave stress behind.
Hey, welcome back to Woulda Wednesday. Those of you who are new here, my name is Mitch with the KAM Fam, and we're glad to have you here. This is where we show you things that are on our permanent packing list that others are going to say, why would you bring that? So today's item is a multi-plug. So have you ever been in a cruise cabin and checked how many outlets there is? Now, the newer ships are getting better. There's USB plugs by the bedside. Some of them even have 2 or 3 plugs, but some of them are still limited to 1 outlet. So that's why today's item is a multi-plug. Now, while cruising, you need to make sure you check with your ship, but we cruise Carnival. So I'm going to talk about Carnival cruise ships. As long as it is a non-surge. That's right. If you notice this, there's no surge protection in it. So here's one option we have that gives you 3 plugs. Here's another one we have, gives us 3 plugs and 4 USBs. The nice thing about this is it has a nice little cord with it. This makes it perfect. We need to charge up our phones. We need to charge up our devices, our microphones, our tablets, recording devices, everything. Today's day and age, guys, there's so many things people are charging. We even got to charge our watches. We can't all charge at the same time. When there's 5 of us in the KAM Fam, we need more than 1 plug. That's why we're bringing a multi-plug every single cruise. All right, guys, so you heard the Woulda Wednesday item today is a multi-plug. So now it's time to hear from you. Let us know in the comments. Do you bring one? Are you going to start bringing one? Or you're saying, why would you waste space on an item like that?
Why would ya?
We want to hear from you, so let us know. And also, guys, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'd greatly appreciate it. And like I said, every Wednesday, we're going to put out a new item to see, is it on your packing list? Because it is on our permanent packing list, 12:34 Central Standard Time. So that's going to do it for episode 6 of Woulda Wednesday. We'll see you next week, guys.
Why would you Wednesday?